I think I'm live.
I've given up. I've gone completely fucking insane. Okay. 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 So yesterday I was all excited because I successfully grafted a tree. After starting some post-hoc analyses, I learned I did not successfully graft the tree. And I spent many hours trying to understand what to do next, and ultimately, I'm giving up. Basically, the issue I'm having is that I understand how to graft a tree together. I understand the process of doing that. However, I cannot find good data that actually fits what I'm trying to do, and so I don't know what values to input. And it's seeming like many others have run into the same problem, and they have all decided to not do what I'm trying to do. So, I'm going to fucking ignore it. And I'm just not going to have a combined phylogeny. I'm just running into so many issues with it, and yeah, fuck it. Cool. So what we're going to do is I need to update all of this. Now that we are not grafting phylogenies anymore, let me just re-add in what I had. And we are going to do this once for the amphibians and once for the squamates. Because I am just so fucking over this. So I'll keep this script together, but I'm not going to do much with it. Okay. Phyto raw A, phyto raw B. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but I'm also very happy to not do this. Okay, so we're going to save. Then we're going to go into the next. But now the issue is I need to update all of my code. Okay. We can keep one occurrence data set. That's fine. Okay, wait. We need to do this later today. When we combine our data together, D binomial, IUC maps, make valid, binomial is not that, because that was fucking things up for no ungodly reason. Raster, extend, filter, mutate. Okay, this doesn't need to change. So now that we're here, we load in all of the data. Cool. So I'm just updating my data. Cool. So what we're just going to do is we are going to do this. So we have matches, so then we'll start with amphibians. Philo raw A, and then here philo raw S. Easy enough. And now we're just going to change this all to yeah, we need to change these to column A for amphibians. So let's just add all of this in. Matrix column A. Actually, we can make this a hell of a lot easier on ourselves. Match phylocom, philo raw. Okay, that's whatever. And then beta jack A, 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 A. Matches in the phi, which is fine. Okay. Matches A. Cool. So now we take this, pop it down to here, change this to squamates, and then we'll do a control find over this where it's underscore A, and we replace it with underscore S. Match case, replace. Yeah, so this is also the key benefit of actually checking over your stuff and making things consistent. Cool. So now we have a much larger file where we just need to make a... Oopsies. Yeah, I'm like really annoyed with this because I've tried and it's just like, if I didn't try, things would have been way the fuck easier. So, file region outputs, we'll still split them up. That way it's not ginormous outputs if we just want to look at one. Okay, then replace. Oh. Wait. Why did it do that? That makes 0 sense. Okay. Cool. So I'm going to redo all my analyses in a bit. Because I don't really have to. Okay, well, first off, I can just save that. We're good, actually. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Bro, I made coffee. Yeah, so mainly the big issues I was running into was, so I first grafted them using time calibration, which is, you know, a method, but it ran into major issues because all my phylogenies were based on evolutionary substitution rate, so not time, and all the analyses are dependent on that, so I can't do it on time unless I make some huge assumptions, and I don't want to do that. So the next step was, okay, cool, well, I can just figure out the rate of substitution between the different groups, and it was fucking up from the very get-go. So I was like, well, shit. Well, then I looked up, I was like, maybe I can find a phylogeny that has tetrapods or maybe vertebrates. Couldn't find one that I could download. And the ones that I did do, I was able to guesstimate the distances, and that wasn't working. Go fucking figure. Okay, so if I've understood everything I've done properly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear this, and then this is also going to be a good check just to see if everything that is saved works properly. And then I can now run this. It will actually hopefully run a lot faster now too, but yeah, it's just really fucking annoying. Yeah, bind.tree will work, but it's not that great. Yeah, so like this is like what I was looking at, and I literally opened it up in fucking PowerPoint just to get guesstimates, and I did not think that was the proper way of doing things. Basically, I needed to get branch lengths from this node up to Anura, which are your frogs. Then I have a split for the Gymnophionas, the Sicilians, and then another branch length for basically this common ancestor up to this node of this common ancestor, and then another one for this one, and then another one for this common ancestor up to the squamates. And it was just running into so many fucking problems, and then when I'm looking up papers, like, people are not really combining them like that, and there wasn't any recent stuff, so I just gave up. I just got so fucking annoyed by all of it that I was like, why am I stressing out about this when I know... Dropping all tips of the tree. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake. Hold Hold on, I need to... do a G sub really quick. Okay, philo raw a tip.labels G sub to boom 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 to philo raw a tip labels. Sorry, the tip labels are just a little bit off. So basically some of the species names have underscores when I've decided arbitrarily long ago they should not have underscores. So now that should work. Boom. Error in function as matrix. Alright. Matches. Oh. What? Oh. Uh-huh. Error in matches by object. Oh my god, fucking A. Some things still need to change. That's also why, though, I wanted to eliminate data so it's a little bit easier to see what the fuck is going on here. Cool. Cool. Then let's fix that all here. It should be pretty straightforward. But by ignoring all of that, I can now actually really focus on the crux of this. Yeah. Yeah, but maybe my advisor will have some good ideas for this, and I'm just really struggling. It's the main issue with estimating these times is that they're so far back in time that the branch length estimates are really tricky to like nail out, and that's the issue. They have so much variability, and it's just not worth it for me. Like, just point blank, it's not fucking worth it. So. And the nice thing is, if things are better, like all the stuff that I'm doing here, I still need to do anyways, even if I'm splitting them. So if, like, in a month or two, I realize it actually is a lot easier, it's so easy for me just to come back and to, you know, do it. So, yuppers. And then that got me. Cool. Cool. Let's just get the last few out. And ooh, let's also make sure this is saved properly. Oh, yeah, I still need to change all these over. Okay. Yeah, I want to get a better... I think what I'm going to do is going to convert this all to a function, so that when I plot it, I don't have to redo everything. This would be a good opportunity to teach functions really quickly. I just want to make sure this all runs properly, and then I can do the next bit. Boop, 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 boo. Because these will take a second to save, so it is what it is. Baba booey. Okay, well, we can do a philo. Yeah, I mean, he has it, but I want to do a phyloregion. Okay. So we'll just call this PR plots equal to a function where... Huh. Okay. Okay. I guess we don't have to. Yeah, it's actually not that big of a deal. I don't need to make a whole new function for this. But let's, yeah, let's look at some outputs. Okay, boom. 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 Let me just do a copy. That'll make this a lot faster. Boom. 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 So for example, what we can do is we can now plot, ignoring that for now. Yep, look at that. Jacquard's index for amphibians. Done. And now for Sorensen's index for amphibians. Oh. Wow. They're so similar. They're so similar. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, and now let's do the same thing here, hither, for the squamates. Squamates, boom, boom, boom. Raster SPS. Let's just change this, make it all good. S, S, S. This is just what I have to do. Cool beans. Oops. Change out some labels. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Wow. So now, let's do a par MC F row. Oh god, I don't think that's right. MF row? MF row is equal to C 2 2. Cool. So now I should be able to plot boom 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 boom. Oops. Boom boom. Awesome. Okay, we'll add a title. Main is equal to amphibians, Jacquard index, and this one will be main is equal to squamates, still amphibians. Amphibians, Sorensen's index, and this one will be main is equal to squamate, Jacquard index, and this one will be main is equal to amphibians, Sorensen's index. And these are not amphibians, these are squamates. Ah, cool. So let's clear these up. And then par mf row is equal to c1, 1. Boom. So now we can have a secondary plot where we put them all together. Cool. So let's run that. Boom. Here we go. I've always been amazed that the amphibians, like Baja does not pull out at all with amphibians. Maybe a tiny bit with the, Sorensens, but nothing crazy. And this means that I don't have this split anymore. Oh well. Why are the amphibians so much messier down there? Like, it's very messy down here. Well, it is what it is. Oakley dokley. Let's get data into biodiverse. Okay. Yep. Okay. So, whatever I was doing for all this was not working with biodiverse. So, okay, so we were melting it. That's fine. I don't think I was getting the coordinates correctly. Yeah, it was fucking up on the chords. Let me see if I have anything that I can work with. So, I have that matrix, that's not helpful. These betas are not helpful. Extent is not too helpful. Matches is not helpful. Oh, I meant to click this one. Spatial polygon data frame. Okay, well, first off, let's actually clean up. Okay, I have too many fucking things open right now. Let's clean up. Let's do a lot of cleanup. Okay, I don't need Dendroscope open. I do not need Vortex open. Do not need Nature open. I'm gonna close all of those tabs. Definitely do not need Steam open right now. Definitely do not need this Word document open. Do not need this Excel open. Do not save. I do not need this open. I don't even know what the fuck it is. I don't even know what this is. This, of course, needs to stay open. I do not need Discord open because I'm not on Discord right now. Do not need this PowerPoint open. I do not need this picture open. I do not need these Word documents open at all. Sublime, I'll probably open at some point again, so might as well just keep it open. I do not need this snip anymore. Of course, I need OBS open. I do need that open. Okay, I do not need all of these open. Do not need that open. And finally, yeah, we'll keep this one. We'll keep this Chrome tab open, but I'm going to close a bunch of stuff. That I do not need. And yeah, I just do need Biodiverse has to be open in 2 instances. Okay. So part of the problem I was running into on Biodiverse. So this is the program I'm going to use to do some post-hoc analyses. Now then, the base data is incorrect, which is fine. I feel like I can still keep one giant base data. I do need to do different phylogenies, so this one will delete. Yes. However, my base data is royally fucked up. So we'll delete that base data. Cool, now I have nothing. That's fine. So, on the GitHub for how to use this site, it is broken. So maybe the downloads section has a... Let's look at the quick start guide. Maybe that one actually, because I think it's a PDF, so it shouldn't have images that are no longer working. Okay. Okay. Open or input data. Okay. Stores your spatial data, a set of analyses parameters, and one or more outputs from the cluster, moving window. That's fine. Matrices between pairs of labels or groups. Okay. Importing data. Wait. Type. Okay. 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 So, how do I get a, okay, raster cell size? Ah. Area. So, res, area, raster, error. Yeah, so the grid cells are in this format. Okay, so SF raster. Can I see what ST rasterize does to this? So ST rasterize. Cannot find function ST rasterize. It's because it's stars. So wait. So this is not the center. So these are not, none of these are the center. The first point is duplicated. And these all have they move in units of 0.5. So they're all 0.5 long. So whenever I upload into here, why don't I go to, why don't I just try uploading again? Hold on. Outputs, BD base data. Let's just go with this. Okay. So this would be the text group, this would be the label, this would be a group, this would also be a group. Cell size. Should be 0.5 by 0.5. Cell origin is right in the middle. And then data in degrees should be is ln is lab. Let's just see what this does. It's going to take a long ass time, but because what we did here is we melted the presence absence matrix to make it better. Then we added the coordinates from raster SP. Which are the same coordinates as in raster, which is fine. Get center of I mean, the thing is, wait. Calculate center of square. You see, because this is kind of the issue that I'm running into. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured I had to do. Okay. I just want to see how this inputs, and then what I think I want to do is we're going to mutate that. So then in this chords, sorry, we are going to do this, then do this, okay. And so chords has each of these. Wait. Right, okay. That's fine. But I think... I guess what I was trying to do is I was trying to offset them by 0.25. Since they are in units of 0.5 resolution. I think it makes sense what I'm doing, but oh, I've put them in the wrong order. Oopsies. Should be done. Remap the label names. That was a yes. Okay. Nope, cancel. Okay. Yeah, that is not correct. So base data, describe, no. Wait. The cell sizes, cell origins, I think I just need to transpose it. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Hold on. I've done this before. Okay. Let's just eliminate all these base datas. Base data, import. Okay. Data are not in matrix form. Okay. Okay, so on here, they put their labels as genus and species. They also... Let's ignore that. Let's group these. Okay, cell size. Like, the cell size starts so fucking high. Let me see this cell size. Okay, so let's get... Is it really just resolution? Area. Res, my raster layer. res of raster. Yeah. So when I first make that raster, rasterize raster SP. Yeah, when I first make my data though, have that extent, raster extent. It's not even a fucking raster, bro. Oh, wait. Let's try this. Okay, resolution of SF cell R. Okay, well, I'm not using these units. So resolution is 0.5. We're going to ignore that. We're going to put y above x. We're going to try doing this again. Keep an eye on my phone. Oh my gosh.
For example, there is
Let's see. Biodiverse is such a great program, but it's like so fucking confusing getting your data in. Like I don't know why this doesn't work sometimes. So oh, so here they're transforming it as a spatial. So can I not rasterize raster SP? So I guess what I can do is I can raster res. Let's see. Resolution is equal to 0.5. Resolution is equal to 0.5. And CRS plus ELPS equal to WGS84. Yep. And then as dot, what are they doing it? Oh. Converting it to a vector. Oh, no. I fucked up. Okay, this is almost done. Let's see if we have something this time. got something. Hold on. Is it... So yeah, we got the labels. So labels are fine. Variety, samples, redundancy selected. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. So, extent. Okay, wait. Hold the fucking front door. Hold on. So here, when I'm melting it, oh my god. Filter value is equal to 1. Oopsies. Oh, good lord, yep. Yep. Okay, well, this will be much better. Okay. So basically what was happening was I was melting the data, but then I was still including everything, so everything was found everywhere, which is just incorrect. So I filtered out to only include those filters, or those values. God, that's so dumb of me. Label, group. Okay, so cell size is correct. No problems there. But I think... Did I get this fucked up? Wait. Okay, wait. We're getting close to what I need. Okay, next, grid, label. Or, no, ignore for now. Label, group, and group, Islon, islat, 0.5, 0.5, boom. And there's far fewer rows now. Oh. Hold on, you can't even see it. We got it, fam. We fucking got it. We fucking got it. Okay, fuck yeah. I'm gonna try re-importing this base data. And I wanna add in okay, so grid should be text group, label, group, 0.5, 0.5, Islon, islat. Oop. Hey, how's it going? Oh, it's just a folder. Oh, okay.
I never know who gives me what.
Yeah, I never knew either. Yeah.
That should have mine, Celine's, and Dave's. Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Everything's going good?
Yeah. It's only like a couple more weeks, right? This project is, yeah, wrapping up kind of fast.
Yeah, 2 months goes by really quick.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're out there tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'm out there tomorrow.
Probably gonna be dead.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It is what it is. I know. I'm just like wanting to get through it all. And then I think there's like right at the end, I think Celine and I have like a 6-day push or something. Yeah, it's like
Really?
yeah, it's like a lot of days. Or maybe like 1 day in between where we're off or something. Yeah.
I wonder if it's like they only had 2 months, so they have to cram a bunch of it.
I think it's like that, and it's right after Thanksgiving and all that. So it's just yeah, I don't think there's gonna be too many people out.
No. If the weather's horrible tomorrow, I don't know if it will be, but feel free to reach out and be like, do we have to do this? Like, if it's
Oh yeah. Wait, is it gonna rain?
It keeps, yeah, I don't know. It was supposed to rain all today and all tomorrow, and then
Okay.
it keeps getting pushed.
Okay.
So, I have no idea. I was supposed to do stormwater sampling all night last night,
Oh, fun.
and then it rained for like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's been really weird lately. Like I wanted to go camping this weekend, and now I'm not hyped out if I want.
This weekend?
Yeah.
The weekend should be. Yeah, it
I'm
looks like that's
hoping.
clear.
Yeah. Well, Nanza. So that's
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, it might rain tomorrow.
Yeah. Should be nice. I mean, wow, fun.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're right. That'll be good. Yeah, let me know if you need anything.
For sure.
Easy day today.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Just chilling, working on research, and
Good.
letting this rain go by.
I'm glad my other work got canceled, so now I'm just gonna scan these.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, they should be good. I know there was a couple weird days, because we got to Del Mar right when there was a shark attack, so that was fun.
What?
Yeah, we noted it on the forums because there's signs that say like shark attack. They say beach was closed, but it wasn't. Just the water was closed, but they have big signs saying, yeah, it was closed.
Wow.
Yeah, someone was swimming out like way far past the surf line, and I think a juvenile like grabbed her leg. She's fine, but yeah, it's like, oh, interesting. We got that 1 in a million chance on our survey.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, there was like news crews and everywhere out there. It was like, okay.
So did you talk to people or no?
We talked to people. We went up the beach and just did it. Yeah, 'cause what are we gonna do? There's people on the beach. Might as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely a weird like. Yeah, super weird.
I would feel kind of funny, like being like, "Hey, are you ready?"
Yeah, yeah. Because it was like there was a decent amount of people on the beach. So it was like, might as well talk to them. But we made the note just to be like, it's a weird one. But yeah, I don't think there's any like other file issues. It's just get to the end. So
I haven't looked in a few days, but are the GPS in here in the plaza?
yeah, I've uploaded everything. So should be good. Yeah, yeah. There's a couple weird ones that were like, yeah, the GPS is being weird a couple times. Like it died on us right when I was about to end the track. So I think it might pop off as like showing it here for the end of a point. So I needed to put the batteries in to track it. So. But it's like whatever. Just
Anything like that, if you think it's a big deal, just send a message to someone.
yeah. I was gonna leave a notes field on Diver, but I couldn't find a notes field for the individual files. Yeah. So I wasn't sure. I didn't look into the file too deeply.
Yeah, I would just send it to her
Okay.
because they're going back and going through all of it
Right.
after us anyway. So
Okay.
yeah, I've noticed a few of the files that I've uploaded from previous days. You go back and it was re-uploaded by them, so I think they need to do something.
Oh, weird.
and
Okay.
re-upload it. So.
Okay. I have no idea what they're doing that. So it is what it is.
Yeah. I just scan them and put them in.
Yeah.
So I'm glad this isn't like a fuck up.
No, I mean
I don't
it's.
have access to my big scanners.
Yeah, I mean there was a day thing of it was like we circled for every single site. We got less than 30 the whole day. Yeah, it was just it's tapering off pretty bad. Like,
That time of year.
yeah, even Saturday wasn't too bad at all. I don't know, neighborhood.
So I use a super niche program. If you want to know more about that. Huh, we are just good. Wait, Landon? He's the fucker. Either he's the fucker. Mantra for today. Hey. Okay, sorry, I have to drop off forms to my boss. I forget that I stream. So, hey, if you want to see how I'm using a really cool and niche program called Biodiverse to better understand my analyses, and of course it's not working the moment I'm trying to show y'all. Shit. Okay. I'm streaming. You should look at this. No, I don't want to read. Okay, but yeah. So basically, this is a program. I'm about to upload the phylogenies and start working on that shiznats. But yeah, you should hop into the stream, hang out. Maybe this will also, when people are here, it makes me work better, and I hope it makes them work better. Let's learn about some of the anoluses, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. If you want to see how I'm using a really cool and niche program called Biodiverse to better understand my analyses, and of course it's not working the moment. I am adopting good. It didn't fucking work. Instagram fucked up. Hey there, if you want to see how I'm using a really niche program called Biodiverse to better understand my research, you should hop on over into the live stream. It's also something good just to turn on in the background while you're working on your research. And then you can tell me that you're working on your research, which makes me want to work on my research. Look, accountability. Hey there, if you want... Look at that, I'm so good at selling. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know, this program's a little... I don't know, like, everything seems straightforward, but then every time I try it, I'm always getting fucked around with it. So, let me do a... Okay. Share. Copy link. Look at this. Hey there, if you want to see how I'm using a really niche program called Biodiverse to better understand my research, you should hop on over into the live stream. It's also something good just to turn on in the background while you're working on your research. And then you can tell me that you're working on your research, which makes me want to work on my research. Look, accountability. Hey there, if you want to see how I'm using... Boom. I think I also just covered it. Okay. Finally, we can focus. I needed to mentally decompress. I just got, friend just fucking got me. Just got me good. Just got me real fucking good. Damn right. Okay. Sir. Okay. So let's check on this base data. Base data is doing... Remap, rename. So that was the issue. So base data, import. I think what I need to do, nope, BD base data, boom, boom. What it needs to be is this is going to be a text group label, group and group. I think the text label needs to be underneath everything, so, and then boom, down. I think that's what needs to be done to make sure it plots, because I want to keep that group label there. Yup, here we go. That's all it needed. That is all it fucking needed. Amazing. Incredibly. Incredible. Okay. So first off, let us now change the names. Names, lawn and lat. Okay, cool. So we got this going on. Nice. So this will be one of the outputs. Yeah. I knew it worked. I was just like really stuck on why is it not working right. Okay. So now we can have the two Nexus files, because they need to be written as a Nexus. BD philo A S S. Okay. So, what else do I want to upload into here? Well, I guess it also kind of depends on what analyses I want to run. So, let's do a spatial analysis. So, we can do so many different things. Oh, wait a second. So if I do base data, wait. Sorry, I'm just in a thought. So, grid. There's just so much shit in here. Yeah, so what I want to have is I want to have it be in groups. Okay. Yeah. No. It's like I have these in groups. So these are all the individual cells, but I want to be able to show it in terms of So you can add shapefile overlays, which is fine. So then what the fuck is the point of a text label? Ah, here we go. Cell size, you can specify the group data. Okay, the real. Matrix data. So ignore that column. Yeah. Right. For data use text group axes, the system will assign them to cells on a grid hovering over a group. Let's try redoing my analysis. So let's do a tree. Let's add these trees. So boom and boom. Okay, so yada. No outputs. It's only in. Oh wait. No. Squamates and okay, remap node names. No. Oh, for fuck's sake! Didn't I already change all these over? Hold on. Oh, I re-downloaded the data. Yep. So, boom, and boom. Sorry, let me now re-export this. So, boom, boom. Delete, yes. No. Outputs. Let's see if this is working correctly. Yes. What? Dupe? What? 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 Ah, okay. Ay. Hold on. Trees. Label source. What are these? Did it only keep the fucking... Okay, we need to remove spaces. Let's just go with the underscores, because I understand that's the better thing to do. Yeah, it's just a problem of I've done this exact thing a few times now, and I'm always very nervous, so... like, I need to change this throughout all of my pipeline, and I've been meaning to, and I have not, and it's very annoying. Okay, so we'll change these back, and then in my P, okay, so then in base data species, just going to change it over. Easy. Base underscore data $species. So then we can now write the nexus. Okay, so we're going to delete, yada yada, delete. Okay, boom, base data, import outputs. Base data. Now we can have this as a text group. We'll have this as a group. We'll have this as a group. We'll have this as a label. We'll have these set to 0.5 by 0.5. This is the lawn. This is the lat. Let's go. Oh, that fucked up. That would not work. Okay, hold on. Well, there's also a thing of me. Wait, hold on. I think I might have mixed up long and lat. Hold on. No, I did not. Okay, so, boom. Now we'll write that table out. So then cancel here. Base data, import, outputs. Next, boom, grid is a text group, this is a group, this is a group, this is a label. These are going to be 0.5, 0.5 is lawn, is lat. Okay, text group all the way at the end. Okay. Next thing I want to add is like labels to species, add like genus and family and all that shit. Okay, so no. Now let's also upload our other filterization outputs, our amphibian. No. Okay. Yep. Rooney. Huh. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. So it'll show that this clade is found throughout here, right? Like that's kind of the point of this. So how do I, yeah, I want to make this phylogeny much bigger. Oh. I want it to be, okay, whatever. Okay, well, I have this. So let's do an analysis where we're going to cluster it. Okay, I get it. Okay, so let's do the Sorensen's link average, let's just keep it with average. Use tiebreakers. Calculations run for each cluster node. Let's just try it out. I just want to see what this does. Oh, actually, let us build a spatial index first. Because that makes the whole thing apparently a lot easier. Then let's do a label count. Richness. Just add that on. I don't know if I need this or not. Okay, so now that I have this, let's run Canopy on this. So let me do this, biodiverse Canopy. They just so now it calculates canopy for me. Detail, managed approach, yada yada yada. Cool. So then if I do an analysis, I do a spatial analysis where we do phylogenetic endemism, or wait, what does it say to do? It does it whenever you run phylogenetic endemism and relative phylogenetic endemism type 2. So we have phylogenetic endemism, and then we have God, where is it? Hold on. I'm like, where the fuck is this index? So it's just north of phylogenetic turnover? Oh, relative. Duh. Let's go. I actually have no idea. That's it. Okay, wait. So then where the name is the randomization output used. Oh, I did not do this correctly. Okay, hold on. Let's just follow this blog. Okay. Calculate it. Cool. Of course, none of the fucking pictures are working. Cool. So now we use a randomization. It's done at the level of the species rather than the cell. Okay, so now I go into a randomization, rand structured, list. Okay. Maybe it is this link that is better. Run the spatial. Ah, yeah, this is the link that I really want. Okay, view the results, run the randomizations. rand structured. We'll call it rand. Iterations to run, 999. I'll explain these results once we get them. Okay, they say list prefix is canopy, so I'll use that as well. Okay, randomized groups, richness multiple. Save checkpoints, 99. 99. Randomize. So, this is just gonna run for a good old while. We're at 4 of 999. And then, what is my performance looking like? Oh, it's barely using anything. Let me see if there's anything on the quick start guide to speed up these analyses. Here we go. Like if there's any way to FAQ. Oh, that's not really what I'm getting at. Okay, well, this is just gonna run. Yep. I thought this was a lot faster. Yeah, so basically, let's explain this really quick. So this is a method called canopy, categorical analysis of paleo and neo-endemism. Let's open up the original paper because I don't think that GitHub site is going to be good. So yeah, there's a lot going on here, but essentially, let's get to some results. If we understand what endemism is, so endemism being species are only found in a particular area, right? That's just very simple definition of endemism. Phylogenetic endemism is instead looking at clades. So it could be a genus is endemic to an area, but it's a little bit more nuanced than that. It's a little bit more. I'm trying to explain it without over-explaining all these other terms. Let's give a very short definition. So it's based on the branch lengths, the extent to which unique phylogenetic lineages are constrained to restricted geographic areas. So imagine instead of a single species, it's saying, oh, all of the species in this genus are restricted to a single area. It could also be not just a genus, it could be like 7 species in this genus, so that whole lineage, right, is restricted. So phylogenetic endemism is a way to do that. We can further look at different types of endemism. So, for example, we can have neo-endemics, which neo is new. So essentially, neo-endemism refers to a pattern. Wait, I can actually show you this a lot better with PowerPoint I've made. They're essentially species that are new to an area, and that's why they are endemic. So they might have speciated recently and haven't dispersed out into many different areas yet. I think I have it on here. Then we also have paleoendemics. So these are older groups that are only found in a particular area. So no, I only have this little one. Recently arisen are older endemic groups. So usually older means like it's extinction or whatnot. Canopy allows us to identify regions that showcase neo and paleoendemism, so high degrees. So this is one I did a long time ago, right? And you can see that, oh, it looks like along the mountain ranges there's a lot of neo-endemism. It's kind of the vibe we're looking at. And I don't trust these results, so don't take them to heart by any means. These were done very shittily just to, do them. But yes. Yeah. So really, the way we calculate this is we first calculate that endemism, right? So we actually are like, oh, cool, look, we can say like, oh, this region has a lot of phylogenetic endemism, right? There's a lot of unique lineages found within this region. But then, right now what we're doing is we're running randomizations. So take the phylogenetic tree that I have, completely randomize it, right? Just, wonder if this would run faster if I split up my base data. Anyways, completely randomize it. Like move all the tips around all the species around on the phylogenetic tree, and then recalculate those same metrics, okay? What that does is it provides a null distribution to compare your real data to. So, do we have more or less endemism than we would expect if everything was random, right? That's one way to create a null model, is to randomize your data. And it works pretty well. Luckily with computers, we can randomize it and then run it thousands and thousands and thousands of times. In this case, we're only going to run it 1,000 times. No need to do it more than that. If we have it saved, I have it at save checkpoints at every 99th, so maybe I can quit running this once it hits 100, and we'll be able to like get some very preliminary results, and then we'll just let it keep running. But yeah, it's a really informative and really cool thing, but it kind of gets into this idea that I have, because I wanted to run some other things. I'm going to take a break after this, though. I just need a mental respite. But yeah, these are like the main meat and potatoes of my research, and I'm pretty happy that I can finally make them with like good data. So, but yeah, I'm just kind of like struggling with what to do right now. Do I have any blunts? One of these days. Do I have any rolling paper? That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That goes over there. This. What is inside of here? Is this a secret? That is tobacco leaves. Do not like that. Okay. This. Oh, dude. This still got some scratch weed. Look at that. Nice. Okay. CBD cream, do not need. That's what that's been. This is some shit stuff. This. Nice to know that's there. Do not need that. This is trash. That is a-okay. These are all these filters I need. This. Garbaggio. I have so many rolling papers. I just need them. There's my ramen spoon. I've been looking for you. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Okay, I think I can safely say. What the fuck is this? Yep, okay. No. Trash. Trash. Okay. So I'm gonna close this at 99. If it doesn't save it, I'm just gonna run this overnight instead of sitting here. I'm gonna pack my pipe in just a second. But yeah, I'm gonna take a mental break after this. Okay, I just wanted to let it go to 101 just because I'm paranoid. Okay, cool. So, oh no, I fucked up. Okay, so it doesn't actually give me. Yeah, it doesn't actually give me any outputs. Oh well. Oh well. Am I accidentally pretty prematurely ending it? Because that's fine by me. So, haha. See, okay. So these are some prelim results. Again, don't take these to heart because I haven't let it run the full randomizations. But it seems like we have some mixed endemism around a few areas. So let's see, a neo-endemic hither. Interesting. Okay. Well, like I said, I need a mental break right now. I am quite tired. And, oh, wait, canopy code. How does this work? Huh. Calculates a shit ton. Cool. I'm gonna let this run overnight though. It's not nighttime now, but it is raining and I just want to relax for a little bit. I've been overworked lately and I need to take a break. So thank you. I'll probably be back